Welcome to Lesson 7. In this session, we will walk through the database design for our school management system. We will explore each table, its purpose, and how the relationships ensure data integrity across the entire project. Our database design consists of 6 main tables. Each table plays a specific role and connects with others through well-defined relationships. This structure ensures data integrity and supports all operations in the school management system. The department table stores information about each department. Department ID is the primary key. Head of department is a foreign key referencing the teachers table. We also included timestamps like created at and updated at to track changes. The teachers table stores teacher details. Teacher ID is the primary key. Department ID links each teacher to the department. Other fields like name, email, phone, and hire date help maintain complete teacher profiles. The subjects table defines the subjects offered by each department. Subject ID is the primary key, and department ID links each subject to its department. This ensures its subjects are organized correctly within the system. The classes table stores information about each class. Class ID is the primary key. Subject ID and teacher's ID link each class to a subject and teacher. The schedule field specifies when the class takes place. The students table holds student information. Student ID is the primary key. Other fields like name, email, phone, and enrollment date help maintain accurate student records. The enrollments table connects students to the classes they are enrolled in. Enrollment ID is the primary key. Student ID and class ID are foreign keys linking to the students and classes table. This table also tracks enrollment dates and timestamps. In summary, this database design creates strong relationships between departments, teachers, subjects, classes, students, and enrollments. It ensures data integrity and provides a solid foundation for managing school operations efficiently. If you have questions or want to explore alternative database structures, let us discuss them now.